Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I wanted to do a couple of quick questions from IXL K.9 just to show you how you need to do this. This is basically boxes and circles for inequality. So let me just jump into this. So let me share the IXL screen. So what you see here is 6 minus 2w is less than 10. And what they want us to do is they want us to solve for w and then they want us to graph it. So I'm going to write this down and then I'm going to solve it. Right, so now let me share my iPad. All right, so that's the inequality. So this is going to be a circle. This is going to be a box. And this is going to be a circle. So I'm going to take this and move it across. So this is going -6. So 10 minus 6 is going to be 4. And then we got a negative 2w. Remember, when you subtract by a negative, so this is going to be 1w. And 4 divided by -2 is going to be a -2. But when you divide by a negative number, you got to flip the inequality. So it should be w is greater than a -2. Now on the number line, if this is 0, you're going to go to a -2. And because there's no equal sign, this is going to be an open circle. And we're going to the right. So that's going to be our answer. So let's go back to IXL. And we start at a -2. It's going to be an open circle because it doesn't have an equal sign. And then we're just going to pull it to the right. And then we press submit. And it's just terrific. All right, let's do another one. All right, so this one is 2w plus 1 is less than or equal to 9. So let me go back to the iPad real quick. On this one, this would be a box. This would be a circle. This would be a circle. We move this across, change the line, change the sign. So 9 minus 1 is going to be 8. And then on this side, we're going to have 2w. And then, so you just divide by 2. And so this is going to be w is less than or equal to 4. So that's our answer on the number line. We go to 4. And we're gonna have a closed circle. And you can see that it's pointing to the left. So we're gonna go all the way to the left. So now if I go back to IXL, I'm gonna start at 4. It's gonna be a closed circle and I just grab it and drag it all the way over. And then I submit it. And it says, keep it up. All right, I'm gonna do one more. But you guys kind of get it. Let me see. I'm going to jump and see if there's any difficult ones. Let's see. Yeah, I know. Let's go with this one. So we got 6 is less than or equal to 2r plus 14. All right, so now, remember, I like to have the inequality on the left-hand side. So let me share my iPad. All right, so here, I'm gonna rewrite this. So I'm gonna rewrite it, 2r plus 14 is greater than or equal to 6. Now these are the same thing. I just put the 6 on the other side. So this is saying 6 is less than or equal to 2r plus 14, which is the same thing as saying 2r plus 14 is greater than or equal to 6. So those are the same thing. But now I can put this in the box, put this in the circle, put this in the circle, and now bring that across. That becomes a minus 14. So 6 minus 14 is going to be a -8. And on this side, we have 2r. Divide both sides by 2. R is greater than or equal to a -4. So that's our answer. If we're graphing this, we go to a negative, we go to, oops, we want a -4. It's going to be a closed circle. And you can see that we're going to the right. So that's which way we go. So let's go back to IXL. And we're going to go to a -4. Closed circle, and we just pull it to the right. And that's our answer. Brilliant. All right, we're done. I'm done. Let me stop the share. That's all you're doing. If you have any questions, Miss Wizzy can help you, but that's kind of what we're doing. All right, so let me end this. and I'll see you guys tomorrow.